We're here to take a tour of this 2016 Coachmen Sportscoach that is on the lot here at Motorhomes of Texas. I love this family-oriented coach. It's practical, it's durable, and it is ready to hit the road. Coming into this coach, you will notice dual seating areas, and one of these beds is going to transition into a jackknife bed. Now, I said this is a family-oriented coach. Yes, a lot of the features within this unit will collapse down, modify and change, so you increase your overall sleeping space. One of the other features is this dinette conversion into additional sleep area. A unique feature for this coach, believe it or not, is that Coachmen designed this with a space-saving power lift bunk. Most of the times we'll see a bunk that's stationary mid-area of the coach. Not with this Coachmen. With the turn of a key and the click of a button, you will see this long sleeping bunk area transition down. So of course, when the kiddos are here with you or you've got other family members, they can jump up, sleep in style. However, we're still not wasting any space when not in use. With an easy click of the button, this bunk bed goes right back up, and in our salon area, we have not lost any of the living space. The kitchen is nice and simplistic. You have the creature comforts of home with your nice dual sink, convection oven. I am a huge fan of the induction cooktop. You can boil water in less than a minute. This coach is 40 feet long, so it does feature a little powder room right here in the midship. And of course, they didn't waste any expense in making sure you would have access to your full residential style refrigerator. There's plenty of storage in here to pack all the kitchen goodies and food as you're traveling. As you move into this master suite, you will notice a king-size bed, plenty of storage, an additional flat screen TV, and it connects to your rear bath area. Coachmen wanted to make sure that you had the comforts of home and a stand-up corner shower, and you will notice the corner sink. I am a huge fan of the corner sink. I really think it maximizes the space that we have. Coachmen got creative with this unit again. We packed a lot of affordability. This coach is priced at $109,500, so it is ready to move and get out there on the road. Structurally speaking, it's built on a 6-speed Allison transmission. This is also a diesel pusher unit, and it has that 340 horsepower Cummins in the back. I like the functionality of the outside of this coach as well. It has an outdoor TV, plenty of bay storage. So whether you're inside cooking and or getting ready for a good night's sleep, and or you're ready to set your camping chairs up outside and enjoy all that life has to offer, this coach has it all. One of the other things that is within this unit is the 8 kW generator. You may not have heard it, but we do have the generator on and running right now, and it is purring like a kitten. I'm really impressed. The affordability of this coach gets you and your family out on the road, but it is a very practical unit and it's not going to break the bank. So come and give it a look here at Motorhomes of Texas.